Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we will see how to manage a client computer from Server Manager in Windows Server 2025. Let's go to the server and get started. Right now I am on a server, and if you see the Active Directory users and computers, we have a domain computers here. I have a PC01 here. So our goal is to manage all the computers inside this OU through the Server Manager. Let me close this. If we go and click on this add other server to manage and find, now here we have a PC01, that is Windows 11 Pro. I will add it and click on OK, and let's go to the all server. You can see the PC01 is online, and if I go and click on computer management, here you can see we have a error. It says that enable the appropriate Windows firewall. You have to enable this rule on the firewall, that COM plus network access decomming, along with remote event log management group. So let's try to fix it. Let me close this. We will do it through the group policy. Let's go to the group policy management. You can see the domain computers are here. We will apply the policy to the domain computers. I already have this policy here, like firewall policy. If you want to create a new one, you can create a new one, name the policy and then edit it. We already have the policy, so I will go and edit this policy, and inside the computer configuration expand the policies, Windows settings, security settings and Windows Defender firewall. And here in the inbound rules I will click on new rule and I will say predefined, and I will select this COM plus network access. Click on next again and allow the connection and finish. Again we will go and create a new rule, select the predefine, and this time we will go for the remote event log management. Click on next again, allow the connection and finish. Again new rule, predefine, and we will select Windows remote management. Click on next again, allow the connection and finish. Again the new rule, predefine, and remote volume management. Here we have remote volume management to manage the disk for the remote computer. Click on next, allow the connection and finish. Again the new rule, predefined, and I will also select the remote desktop. Click on next again, allow the connection and finish. So this rule has been enabled to manage our client computers from the server itself. So let's update the policy. I will run the command gp update /force. We will also update the policy on our client machine as well. I will run the same command and it's updated now. Now if we go here and try to manage the computer now, if I click on this computer management, you can see now it is open, and the remote volume management was for this disk management. You can see the disk for the remote computer, that is PC01. You can see the performance, task scheduler, event viewer, shared folder, and you can see the users inside the computer, like these are the local user of that computer. And here you can see the device manager is not listed. It says access is denied. The service plug and play and remote registry, make sure that it is running or not. Even you can enable the service from here itself. In the services and application, go to the services, and the services of that computer will be listed here. And if we see the service plug and play, it is running, and remote registry, it is disabled. So we can go to the properties, and in the startup type I will say automatic, apply and start the service. You can start and stop the service from here itself. If you want to create a new user, you can create a new user here, like test, set the password for the user and create it. So now you can see the test user has been created on that PC01. So you can manage most of the tasks from here. You can do a task scheduler, you can see the event viewer, you can access the disk management, and even you can configure the Windows Server backup as well. The backup server is not installed in this computer, so it's not showing us, but you can manage it if it is installed on that computer. So this is how you can manage remote computer. You can manage all the computer inside that OU, domain computers. So now it's not giving us an error. We can easily connect to the computer management of our remote computer. So I hope the video was useful. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.